Welcome to 152 Seaview Drive in desirable 4Seasons Ranch in Port Angeles, Washington. Hear the sounds of crashing waves and experience unstoppable views of the Salish Sea, British Columbia, and the Cascade mountain range from your fabulous new wraparound TREX deck. Main floor living with everything you need, including the primary suite, laundry, guest room, and office. Freshly painted interiors, an updated kitchen, new flooring, and newly remodeled bathroom are just a few of the accolades. Large windows frame the ever-changing scenery of cruise ships and sea life, including otters and whales. Think multi-generational, VRBO, guest quarters, or short-term rental. With a bedroom, bathroom, family room, and kitchenette downstairs, the possibilities are nearly endless. The perfect home for the outdoor enthusiast. Considering horses, there's a community barn. There's also a garden, pool and clubhouse, and a 9-hole golf course. A home great for gathering and entertaining with tons of parking. This neighborhood is on the 100-mile Olympic Discovery Trail and just 15 minutes to downtown Sequim dining, medical, the Lavender Festival, but also just minutes to shopping, cinemas, and the waterfront in Port Angeles.